Hi kids! Welcome to Bright Star Science Know-It-All. I'm so glad you're here because today we're taking a trip out of the city and into the country. That's right, we're headed to the farm to meet some of the hardest working animals you'll ever see. We call these animals livestock, and they've been helping people for thousands of years. They give us food, clothing, tools, and even friendship. Are you ready to meet the Barnyard Bunch? Let's start with cows. Cows are gentle giants and they give us delicious milk. From that milk we make cheese, butter, and even yummy ice cream. Calves or baby cows stay close to their mothers and love to play in the fields. Next up, chickens. Chickens lay eggs that many people eat for breakfast. But did you know? Chickens also help by picking bugs off the ground, keeping the farm healthy. Pigs are next. And guess what? Pigs are super smart and playful. They love to roll in the mud to stay cool on hot days. Oink, oink. Now let's meet the sheep. Sheep grow thick, fluffy wool that farmers can turn into cozy sweaters and blankets for us. Sheep like to stick together in flocks, and baby sheep are called lambs. Ba, ba. Don't forget about goats. Goats are curious and love to climb, chew, and explore everything they see. Some goats give us milk too, and they have the funniest little beards. Horses have been helping people for centuries. Long ago, they were used for riding, pulling wagons, and even plowing fields. Today, people still ride horses, and some farms use them for special work. Neigh. And let's not miss the birds like ducks, geese, and turkeys. They add feathers and fun to every corner of the farm, waddling around and splashing in ponds. Quack, honk, gobble. Each animal has a special role. Cows and goats are dairy animals. Chickens and pigs are raised for meat and eggs. Sheep give us wool, and horses help with work and travel. Farms come in all sizes. Some are big, with hundreds of animals. Others are small, with just a few. But one thing is the same. Farmers work hard every day to feed the world, and the animals are part of that team. Did you know that modern farms sometimes use robots, solar power, and even drones to help care for crops and animals? Farms are always changing and growing. At Bright Star, I believe that knowing where our food comes from helps us appreciate nature and the people and animals who care for it. Captain Star always reminds us, whether it's in a barn or a pasture, every animal has a job, and every job matters. Thanks for joining me today. Come back again for another Bright Star Science Know-It-All, where curiosity turns facts into fun.
Thanks for visiting the magical world of Bright Star. We're always here and always excited to have you come back and see us again. Make sure you visit us at brightstarworld.com for more enchanting books and videos. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep exploring, and keep shining bright.